Hello everyone, my name is Arham and I am the student of MBA Finance at Tata Business School. Today I stand before you to throw the light on the topic survey. First of all, we need to know what does it mean and why we are doing the survey. Survey is a data collection method used to gather information from the group of individuals. It typically involves series of questions or statements that are designed to obtain specific information about a particular topic. Surveys are versatile and can be held in various forms such as online form, questionnaire, phone interview, face-to-face interview, etc. There are various aspects of survey. Data purpose, sampling, question design, data analysis, data collection, ethical consideration, reporting, etc. And these points must be considered while doing the survey. And through this we must know that what is the purpose of survey. The question asked from the respondent must be simple and reliable. The data collected from the survey should be properly analyzed and reported in proper documentation and presentation form. Survey is a good tool used to gather qualitative and quantitative data which helps in decision making. There are various types of survey that are demographic survey, mail survey, face-to-face survey, phone survey, online survey, Excel survey, panel survey, etc. And the choice of survey type depends on research objective, target population, and the nature of data being collected. Survey has a greater significance in various fields such as business, academic, government, healthcare, etc. It helps in decision making, policy, data collection, information gathering, quantitative analysis, feedback, market research, customer satisfaction, etc. The process of survey is very large and it should be followed step by step. So at the end, I want to conclude that survey is a good tool for collecting information and getting qualitative and quantitative data, and also which helps in decision making and also getting the customer feedback. Thank you.